The future is closer than you think. By the year 2030, over 40% of the jobs we know today will be gone. And 80% of the new millionaires? They'll come from industries that barely exist right now. At the center of this massive transformation stands one force: artificial intelligence, and right next to it, crypto. This isn't a sci-fi scenario. It's the world we're stepping into, faster than anyone expected. We've already lived through the Industrial Revolution. We survived the digital revolution. But what's coming next is bigger. AI is not just another invention. It's a new brain for the planet. It learns, it adapts, it evolves. And it's already replacing, automating, and transforming everything it touches. Think about it. What was once done by people is now being handled by machines. From customer service to legal research, AI is moving in. And this is only the beginning. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. Many jobs won't come back. Cashiers, call center agents, bookkeepers, even creative jobs like designers and writers are at risk. Not because people are less valuable, but because AI is just faster, cheaper, and sometimes better. But here's the flip side. The people who learn to use AI won't just keep up, they'll rise. They'll create new industries, invent new careers, and lead the wealth wave of the 2030s. Let's zoom in on how that's already happening. Right now, AI is building custom websites in seconds. It's writing books, generating music, making business decisions. It's automating trading strategies in crypto. It's scanning thousands of coins, predicting movements before the average investor even blinks. Crypto used to be chaotic, emotional, and driven by hype. Now, AI is taming it, making smarter bots, analyzing sentiment, spotting trends. This is no longer about luck. It's about logic. And the new logic is powered by AI. The real winners in this new economy are already moving. Elon Musk, he's funding AI robotics and crypto payments. Sam Altman, building AGI while democratizing finance through blockchain. Mark Cuban, investing heavily in AI-driven DeFi protocols. And they're not alone. New millionaires are emerging. Young creators using ChatGPT to build content agencies. Freelancers selling AI prompts, training programs, automation setups. Developers launching NFT collections with AI-generated art. Even people without technical skills are stepping in. They're using tools like HeyGen, Midjourney, and Notion AI to sell services, run businesses, create digital products. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to start. And here's how. Step 1. Learn what's happening. Watch, read, understand. Step 2. Choose a niche where AI gives you superpowers. That could be trading, content, automation, education, or even coaching. Step 3. Build a personal brand around it. People follow those who understand the future. And if you become a guide, they'll follow you too. AI isn't going to steal your job, but someone using AI might. Don't just watch others grow. You have the tools. You have the timing. You're watching this video right now, which already means you're ahead of 90% of people. But don't let it end here. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. If you want to be part of the AI plus crypto generation, hit subscribe. And comment below. Will you use AI to grow, or will it grow without you? Because one thing's for sure. The next boom has already begun, and you're either in or out. Let's talk about the actual ways people are building wealth right now, using nothing but AI and crypto. This is not theory. These are real people, in real time, doing things you can do too. There's Josh, a 29-year-old who started using ChatGPT to create Twitter threads and ghostwrite content for influencers. He makes over $10,000 a month now. How? He doesn't even show his face. He just delivers smart, AI-written content to clients who pay for speed and consistency. Then there's Maria, a 33-year-old mom of 2. She couldn't code. She had no tech background, but she learned to use Midjourney and Canva to create AI-generated Instagram posts for health coaches. She built a subscription content service and now earns passive income every single month. And then there's Daniel. He connected ChatGPT with a TradingView API, built a basic crypto price alert system, sold it for $190 lifetime access. He got 500 buyers in 2 weeks. That's almost $100,000 from a single AI plus crypto tool. Now here's the best part. None of them are experts. They just took the first step. They understood one thing. In the age of AI, execution beats perfection. So what are some ideas you can steal today? Start a YouTube channel using AI avatars, just like this one. No camera, no microphone, just your ideas and a script. Use HeyGen or Synthesia to turn your words into video. Then share it with the world. You'll be surprised who listens. Or build an ebook in an hour using ChatGPT. Design it with Canva, sell it on Gumroad or Shopier or Etsy. It's your knowledge, turned into value. You could even go bigger. Start a one-person AI automation agency. Find businesses that need help with chatbots, email flows, social media posts. Use AI tools to deliver results fast. Charge $500, $1,000, even $5,000 per client, all with low overhead. And don't ignore crypto. AI is already powering crypto portfolios. There are bots that scan news sentiment, algorithms that find price divergences before the market reacts. You can either use them or fall behind those who do. Remember, this is not about being the smartest in the room. It's about being the one who adapts the fastest. You don't need permission. You don't need a degree. You don't even need a big budget. What you need is clarity and consistent action, because the clock is ticking. The next wave of wealth is already forming, and it won't wait. So take a moment to reflect. What skills do you already have that AI could amplify? What interests you enough to go deep and explore? And who do you want to become in this new world? Because trust me, the best version of you is not behind you. It's ahead. And AI might be the bridge to help you get there. You're still here. That means something. It means a part of you knows this is real, that the world is changing, and you don't want to be left behind. Look around you. How many people are still stuck in the past? How many are scrolling all day, complaining about the economy, hoping things magically get better? But hope is not a strategy. Action is. And right now, the tools to change your life are literally in your hands. You're one video, one message, one decision away from momentum. So here's what I want you to do. Start small, but start smart. Pick one platform. Maybe YouTube, maybe X, Twitter, maybe a newsletter. Use ChatGPT to create content. Use AI tools to automate and save time. Use crypto to invest not just in coins, but in the future you want to live in. Don't worry about being perfect. Done is better than perfect. Messy action beats perfect procrastination. You are not late. You are exactly on time, because you're watching this right now, while others are still sleeping on the biggest shift of our generation. And when you start, don't stop. There will be setbacks. There will be doubt. People will laugh, question, ignore you, until they can't. Until they ask you how you did it. And you'll remember this moment. You'll remember that this video wasn't just content. It was a spark. The difference between success and failure? It's not talent. It's not even luck. It's execution. It's belief. It's the ability to start before you feel ready. And if you've watched this far, you are ready. If this message lit a fire in you, hit that like button. If you want more videos that blend AI, crypto, and real-world wealth strategies, subscribe now. And comment below with one word. Ready? Let me know you're here. Let me know you're not just watching, but moving. Because here's what I believe. The next generation of millionaires won't come from old money. They'll come from smart moves, bold risks, and futuristic thinking. They'll come from people just like you, watching this video, taking the first step, and never looking back. See you in the next one.